it into shape to make a bonnet. Okay, so I'll be needing these pieces. I've joined them together. You know, it's a secure material, so I've secured it with the needle. Okay, so I'll be working with this length, the width 22, and then the length 24. So I've folded them into two. They are on fold, the positive to the positive, the right side to the right side. So I fold them again. Okay, making 4 pieces now. So then I refold because I want to cut the 2 panels together. I refold it. Okay, it's refolded now, and all I need is 11 measurement of 11. So okay, secure your fabric with needle so that it doesn't shake. So I haven't folded it now. Look at it now. So I have about 8 folds. So it's folded now. So I measure my, all I need is a circle. So I measure it from this edge. Look at this. Look at the side I'm measuring from. Okay, so I measure it from the end. I need just 11 inches. This is my 11 inches here. Make sure your tape rule is at the edge so that I can get the accurate measurement. This 11 here, you mark it round like that because all we need is a circle. Okay, we are going to use it to cover our head. Okay, then 11 here. Okay, so we connect our dots together. Connect the dots together. You know, I'm going to be sewing it inside, so I won't mind the biro staining it. So I cut it out. Wow, I've gotten my 2 of the folds. Instead of cutting them one by one, okay, I've cut the 2 pieces together. So the next thing is that I take it to the machine. I'm going to align it and then join them together. Okay, I will join them together, but I will leave about 4 inches. Are we following? I will leave about 4 inches here that I will use to turn it. Okay, let's go to the machine. Okay, I've run my stitches now. They're together. They're already attached. So from that small opening I left, I'm going to turn it to the right side, the positive side. Okay, we see that with this tutorial, you will learn not to waste fabric. I won't use the pieces for reasonable things. Okay, I've turned it now, so the next thing I'm going to give it a good press, up press. Then after I've pressed it, I will of course need to, okay, we're going to create the elastic hole into our bonnet. Okay, now all I need for the outer part of the bonnet, let me make it one quarter. You can make it 1/2. You can make it two as you want it to be, want the gather at the tip to be. Okay, let me make it 1.5. Okay, and then I'm going to create about 1/2 inch for where the elastic is going to pass through. So permit me to mark both the small elastic passage and the outer side, so that's to be faster for me. So I mark 1.5 for the outside, and then mark the half for the elastic. I do the same thing for all of them. 1.5, half for the elastic, one and a half for the outer, for the elastic, and that's how I continue. So I haven't marked them round. I left this place. The elastic is still going to pass through here. After I've done that, I will now take this place because I have to pass the glass. So I connect my lines together, my dotted lines. Don't mistakenly join the upper one with the lower one. So I continue like that. Okay, I'm done with the marking, the two lines. So I'm going to run my stitch over the lines. I left a little space here. That is where I will pass the pin through. After the pin, after the elastic is done, you can then close it up and then close up this place. Okay, let's go to the machine.